Hi students, I'm very happy to welcome you all once again to my YouTube channel, The Grammar Torch. Today I'm going to see the book back questions of the poem Life, Unit 1. And it's a memory poem, so you want to by heart the poem. And you know they'll ask only 5 lines. There are 4 poems for you, for the students 10th standard. There are 4 poems, and they're going to ask only 5 lines from the poem, and there's no choice in just for it. So you want to learn all the 4 poems. So this poem you want to by heart. Now we are going for the exercise directly. Read the following lines from the poem and answer the question follow. So this is called as appreciation question. So the question answer should be very short and precise. That's all. ரொம்ப தெளிவாகவும் சுருக்கமாகவும் இருக்கணும். அந்த மாதிரி தான் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். ஜஸ்ட் மனசில் வச்சுக்கலாம் பை ஹார்ட் பண்ணால் இந்த பப்ளிக் எக்ஸாமினேஷன் இந்த கொஸ்டின் டெஃபினெட்லி இல் கம் ஃபார் யூ. இது கண்டிப்பாக கேட்பாங்க. ஸோ டெஃபினெட்லி யூ கேன் ஸ்கோர் 2 marks and memory point 5 marksனா யூ கேன் ஸ்கோர் 7 marks from this. Okay, so study well. So I am just given very clear and precise. Okay, short and precise. So we'll go to the exercise now. Let me but live my life from year to year with forward face and unreluctant soul. Whom does the poet me refers to? Me refers to the poet. Who is the me? Poet. What kind of life does the poet wants to lead? The poet wants to lead a life of hope. Second one, nor hurrying to, nor turning from the goal, not mourning for the things that disappear. Mourning means you are just what? வருத்தப்படுறது. Okay, mourning. இயக்கமாக இருக்குது. That's why we'll say mourning. காலைங்கிறது MORNING. Pronunciation is same, but meaning is entirely different. This is morning. Okay. இயங்கிறது வருத்தப்படுறது. Why do the poet think that why do you think poet is not hurry? The poet plan to pursue his goal in a calm way. Okay. The poet plans to pursue his goal in a calm way. Next one, what should one not mourn for? One should not mourn for the past. பாஸ்ட்னா இறந்த காலத்தில் ஏற்கனவே நடந்து போன என்ன சோகமான கவலைப்படாமல் ப்ரெசண்ட்டில் வந்து யூ வாண்ட் டு டூ யோர் எய்ம் ஷுட் பி கோல் கரெக்ட்லி பர்ஃபெக்ட்லி கோ அதுக்கு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஓகே, ஒன் ஷுட் நாட் mourn for the past. Third one, in the dim past, not holding back in fear from what the future wields, but with a whole and happy heart that pays its toll to youth and age and travel on cheer. What does the poet mean by the phrase in the dim past? So dim past means to the failures and sorrows of the poet. So dim pastனா அவரோட பாஸ்டில் வந்து இருந்த அவர் ஜஸ்ட் முன்னால் நடந்த ஃபெயிலியர்ஸ் அண்ட் சாரோஸ். ஸோ இஃப் யூ ஆர் ரைட்டிங் ஃபெயிலியர்ஸ் அண்ட் சாரோஸ்னால 1 mark கொடுத்துருவாங்க பப்ளிக் எக்ஸாமில். யூ வாண்ட் டு கீப் இன் மைண்ட். For example, in the deep past means to the failure and the sorrows எழுதினாலும் ஓகே. ஆர் ஆன்சரை வந்து failures and sorrows எழுதினாலும் 1 mark they give. So you want to be, that's why I'm saying now the answer should be short and precise. That's the thing. B, is the poet afraid of future? No, he is not afraid of future. How can one travel on his cheer? One with a happy heart. One can travel on with cheer with happy heart. Answer வந்து one can travel on with cheer with a happy heart எழுதினாலும் 1 mark they'll give. இல்லை நீ வந்து with a happy heart அப்படி சொன்னாலும் you can get the 1 mark because this is appreciation question. poem உனக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கா ஆன்சர் பண்ணுறேங்கிறது தான். Okay, that's the question. Fourth one, let the way wind up the hill or down, over rough or smooth, the journey will be joy. Still seeking what I sought when but a boy, new friendship, high adventure and a crowd. How is the way of life? The way of life is full of up and downs, rough and smooth path. How should be the journey life? Should be by joy. The journey of life should be of joy. Should be of joy. should be of joy. What did the poet seek as a boy? The poet sought new friendship, adventure, and awards. So you can write the poet sought as a boy new friendship, adventures, and sought. New friendship, adventures, and awards and material. You'll get 1 mark. Okay, that you want full marks they'll give. 5th one, my heart will keep the courage of the quest and hope the road's last turn will be the best. What kind of quest does the poet seek? The poet seeks a quest of courage, dhairyam. Okay, what is the poet's hope? The poet hopes that he would be able to achieve his goal in the end. கடைசியில் கோலை வந்து கடின உழைப்பால் he can reach, he is saying. He would be able to achieve his goal in the end. The next 6th one, in the dim past, not holding back in fear from what is the future wields, but with a whole and happy heart that pays its toll to youth and age and travels on with cheer. Identify the rhyming words. The rhyming words வந்து ear, disappear, soul, goal. So I have written here rhyming words: fear, cheer, whole, fear, whole, toll. Okay. Next we are coming for 7th one, rhyming scheme. Here, ear, soul, goal, disappear. So the rhyming scheme is, so you can see here the rhyming scheme is A, B, B, A. I have written here B, A, B. So now just coming to the answer to the question, one paragraph question you want to study. Describe the journey of the life as depicted in the poem by Henry Van Dyke. Okay, this, even if you want this paragraph, this also you can write. Slight change you can write. So I filled up. See, just 1, 2, 3 correctly I filled up. So study well, students, because definitely this question, memory poem 5 also you can come, and paragraph question also you can expect this public examination. Okay, you want to study well.